Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to be setting up a mic, professional recording, with a pop filter and a bar. I just got this from Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive, and got really good reviews. Most of these are very expensive, and all I need is the pop filter and other device. Let me show you the microphone that it's going with. This is the Amazon Basics microphone that everyone's raging about. It's fantastic. Of course, I won't be able to set it up fully today because the cable is not here. So there's that. I got some, you want to do vocals professionally and recording. So here it is. First of all, we got our awesome. I need one of these. Anytime you're recording, you get all these fans going. You hear this is not very good for, wow, industrial grade plastic. And you put it over like this. It blocks some of the wind. Here is the pop filter, so you don't hear the pops of your voice. And we have a instruction manual, which I really need. It comes with a lot of really cool stuff and other mics. You can actually use that one. And the thing I'm going to attach this is attached on the end of my cable here. You can see it just screws in, screws out. Very solid. Great seal. Some kind of tape. I'm going to have to get to that. I don't know what that is. So this is the main device. And I gotta say, it's built very strong. This is for the actual microphone. It's very nice how you can set it up. See how it goes. It goes in there. Bad news, it's covering up. I don't know if that's it like that. There we go, holds the microphone in pretty good. Here's the stand. It's bendable. Set up wherever you need it. And this device is, of course, it's set up correctly. This is the goes on the end of the table, like so. Plug it in, screw it in. Probably want to screw it in real solid, like I did. This goes out like this. And I am installing it on the end of the table, right about here. It's a bit thick. But what's great about this is you can set it up basically anywhere. Great little mic stand. And just tighten it up. I want to make sure it's real tight. You see what I'm doing there? Tighten it up. There we go. And just put all this stuff away. You guys come with an extended warranty. It does come with an extended warranty, and it seems to work pretty good. So now we're just going to install a pop filter. Here's the pop filter, so nobody hears your revolting voice. It's pretty easy to set up. Basically, set it up anywhere you want here. There we go. Set it down. Well, obviously it's going to need some adjustments. You get the idea. Actually, I do believe I found a spot where it goes. For those of us who don't read directions, you know. Looks like it might go. Makes a lot more sense. And there we go. There were great pop filter. It's adjustable. Love it. The way it works. You want one of these for a long time to, record professional grade lyrics. And I've got a little preamp thing here. Put the battery in it, and just plug this in. I'm using a 3-prong, I forgot what you call it. It goes from the mic into this, and then into whatever device you're going to use. And I'm going to use an iPad and GarageBand to record all the vocals. So, thumbs up. Great job. Works.